Hello friends, subscribe my channel. Qcard. Describe a time you needed to use imagination. You should say what the situation was, why you needed to use the imagination, what the difficulties were, and explain how you felt about it. Well, using the sense of imagination is a cute fruitful as it helps reflect our intelligence and creativity. Often, I use this power, and today I did like to share one such incident with you. In my school days, I had an inclination towards art and took the part in several competitions as well. Can vividly recall this one time when I was in 8th standard and my school had organized a painting competition. To be honest, I had forgotten the date and went to the school unprepared. The moment I entered the school, my classmates started asking what I had prepared and shared their concept too. I was dumbfounded hearing that news and went into panic mood. However, I gathered myself together and applied my quick wits. I brainstormed through ideas and finally, when the competition started, we were given an hour to complete and submit the painting. Just last week, I had visited the Taj Mahal with my family, so image of that moment was struck in my mind. Therefore, I decided to draw it. If I had a picture of the Taj Mahal in front of me, I could have easily drawn my painting. However, visualizing the wonder and then painting it was extremely tough. I drew the movement, the gardens, and the pond. I completed the painting in an hour and was stunned at how beautiful it appeared to be. Everybody appreciated my efforts and I got the second prize as well. Thanks for watching my channel. Please like it, subscribe it and must share this video with your friends.